So you can actually mine Bitcoin using this specific application right here. And the best thing about this is that this app right here is on Google Play Store, and it is publicly for everybody to download it on Google Play Store. And this app claims that they can enable you to mine free Bitcoin. So we're going to be checking it out right here so that you guys can actually know how to navigate this app right here and then earn free Bitcoin using this specific app right here. So let's just jump straight into the app on Google Play Store right now. If you are coming across my video at the first time, my name is Welly, and I'm literally dropping video concerning how to literally make money on the internet, and I drop tips and tricks for you to navigate to earn money in crypto, mostly crypto mining or probably anything at all that you actually want to be doing online. But listen and listen carefully right here. All these particular videos I'm dropping right here on this my channel right now, especially this particular video, is not for educational purpose. I'm not literally responsible for your losses or your profits right here. I'm just showing you what exact thing that literally work for me. It might work for you, but probably please don't take this as a financial advice. So this is actually a disclaimer right now. Okay, so here is the app right here on Google Play Store. It is called Bitcoin Cloud Mining right here. So just go ahead and install it in your cell phone. This particular application has getting 1 million download right here. That means a lot of people have been using this Bitcoin mining app, and today I will literally guide you step by step on how you can literally navigate this app and also mine some free Bitcoin. This particular app right here have a lot of review, and people are saying good and some people are also saying bad about this app. Take a look at it. This one giving it 2 stars and saying this right here. Okay, so let me just cool down. Some people are giving it 1 star, this one giving it 4 star right here. So on and on, a lot of people are giving it, rating it, telling their experience about this app, why they are using it. And in this particular video right now, me myself, I will literally go ahead and use this app so that I can literally show you how the app and let you know if you can literally mine free Bitcoin from this specific app right here. So I will also show you what it takes for you to literally get free BTC from this particular app right here that you downloaded on your Google Play Store right now. And I will make sure I make it clear for everybody right here watching this particular video to understand how to use the app right now. So let's get started by clicking on open right here. Take a look at the main home interface of the particular app right now. So click on continue right here. Then also go ahead and scroll just like this. Also scroll it just like this. You can literally go ahead to this video description or in the pinned comment. You'll find the invitation link to go ahead and paste it right here. Okay, so after then you can just go ahead and click on this, or you click on continue at the down side. So you find yourself right here in this where they literally give you this particular free Bitcoin or BTC right here, and this particular BTC will enable you to literally go ahead and follow up the next step. So what I observe right here is that you have the full opportunity to literally watch some ad and then get some free mining BTC right here using this specific app. So how can you do that? Go ahead and click on mining contract right here. You actually see where it says free contract right now, and the other one is saying mining per hour. Now this is a particular popular contract that people are buying. People are using this specific amount, buy some particular amount of contract. They call it contract for you to be literally being able to mine enough BTC right here. But if you want to mine everything for free right now, you literally have to be watching ads. Just by clicking on this particular place right here, ads will pop up right now. So after you have literally watched the ad, you can just go ahead and click on cancel. Okay, so let's just go ahead and check out this particular referral right here. So they are saying if anybody sign up using your link, you'll be getting 20% from the earnings of your invitee. Yes, so now just go ahead and copy this your referral code and share it to your friends or family that literally want to try this out. Now if you have literally go ahead and click on dashboard right here, when you click on mining contract and then take a look at it right here, it is still showing all these popular contracts right now. And here right here where it says watch ad to get free contract, if you click on it right here, so after I've watched the ad, this is what it is showing right now. So I just have to go ahead and click on continue right here and then take a look at it. This powered. Now go ahead and click on mining contract again and then also click on it right now, and so few ads will also still pop up. Also click on continue again right now. Take a look at it. You literally have 4 power right now to mine free BTC or Bitcoin from this particular app. Now just go ahead and click on any of them right here to start mining, and if it's not still working for you, go ahead and click on this particular contract right here. You will see that yes, your Bitcoin is loading right now. So immediately you will see that yes, your Bitcoin is loading. You just have to exercise some few patience for a while or for some few days so that you can literally get to have enough Bitcoin right here to withdraw. But meanwhile, I've been using this particular app. I have not clicked withdraw right here. Now I will literally do another video on this particular app to show you how my live withdraw is. But before then, let me go ahead and show you how their withdraw is right now simultaneously. So click on wallet right here, then you will see that yes, this is your Bitcoin available. The Bitcoin you have will be available right here. Okay, so this particular one right here that is called Point is the particular app token that they haven't been launched. but just focus on this particular Bitcoin right here. So click on withdraw if you want to withdraw your Bitcoin. Then just go ahead and log in with your Google just by clicking on this, or your Google account will pop up. So after then you click on withdraw again, then take a look at it. You just have to go ahead and click on all BTC right here. So now the minimum amount of Bitcoin for you to be able to withdraw is this. So you have to literally go ahead and watch some few ads so that you can literally get enough space. So after you have literally get this particular amount of BTC right here, just go ahead and select any network of your choice. Just go ahead and paste the wallet address of your BTC wallet. Then just go ahead and click on withdraw. So the network fees will be right here. Take a look at it at the downside right now. So after then you click on withdraw, and instantly they promise that they will literally credit your wallet, which is your Bitcoin wallet right here, after you literally meet all these their requirements right now. So my advice right here is just for you to literally go ahead and try it out on a free contract. Please don't pay for anything right here. Try it out on a free contract right now, and then get some experience from this. If they literally pays you some BTC from this particular app, you use the BTC to pay for their popular contract so that you can earn more money. So that's my advice for you right here. Use this specific app right now. So I'll see you in my next video concerning this app, showing you my progress on how I literally mine BTC right here and live withdraw right now. So see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe and like.